Alright guys, here's my lineup of what I'm going to do next, or at least it's on the docket. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do next or how I'm going to do it. I have these Hoffman handles for these fire axes, and I'm thinking for this 4-pound plum Buck and Billy Ray straight handle. And then for this jersey, not clipper, warranted, it's like a Buck and Billy Ray Deputy, I believe. And then, I'm not sure if I want to do this Whiskey River. It's a little long. Or maybe this hickory handle I'm in the process of making right now. And then I have True Temper Vulcan double bit that's next. And I also have the Buckin Sheriff, which, let's see here, how long is this? It's 32, so we'll see. To be continued.